Hey, it's Paul Alex, founder and CEO of CashFlipe.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make money every single time that someone swipes their credit card. Yeah, you heard it right. It might sound something like only big banks or corporations can do, but the truth is anyone can tap into this system. It's called merchant services, and it's one of the easiest ways to build a consistent stream of residual income. So guys, stick around because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works, break down the numbers, and share real-life success stories with you, including how Bryce just landed an account, making him $850 a month in residuals. Let's level up. Did you know that every time you swipe your credit card to buy coffee, groceries, or even gas, someone is getting paid? That's because businesses have to process those payments through merchant services. A percentage of every transaction goes to the person who sets up that system. Now, here's the kicker. Only about 5% of small businesses in the US use advanced programs like the cash discount program, meaning that the market is wide open for opportunity in 2024 and beyond. So, if you ever wanted to build passive income, this is one of the simplest ways to do it right now. And the best part, you don't need a background in finance, guys, and you don't need a ton of startup capital. Step 1, understand how merchant services work. Here's a breakdown of how you can make money every time someone swipes their credit card. Number 1, you help businesses set up payment systems. Businesses need a way to accept credit and debit card payments. That's where you come in. Number 2, you earn a residual percentage. Every time a customer makes a purchase, you earn a small percentage of that transaction. For example, a business that processes $10,000 a month, you earn 1% of that, which is $100 a month in residual income. Now, imagine scaling to 10 or even 20 businesses. That's where the income potential gets exciting. Step 2, why the cash discount program is a game changer. One of the most effective ways to stand out in this industry is by offering the cash discount program. Here's how it works. Instead of businesses paying credit card processing fees, the fee is passed on to the customer who chooses to pay with a credit card. This saves the businesses thousands of dollars a year, and you earn residual income for setting it up. It's actually a win-win. The best business saves money, and you get paid every time a transaction happens. A real-life success story. Let me share Bryce's story. Bryce recently closed a deal with a tire shop that processed $68,000 a month in sales. The business owner was frustrated with high fees, so Bryce stepped in, showed him how the cash discount program works, and could save him $2,500 a month. And that sealed the deal. Bryce is now earning $850 a month in residual income from this one account. So here's what's even more impressive. Bryce has been able to average about 2 to 3 new accounts every single week, proving that consistency and willingness to take action are all you need to succeed in this business. Step 3, how much you can earn. Okay, so let's break down the income potential for you. Number 1, small business example. Monthly processing volume is, let's say, $20,000. The residual income at 1% of this is $200 a month. Let's say you get a medium-sized business processing around $50,000. At residual income at 1%, that's $500 a month. Let's say if it was a large business processing over $100,000. Residual income for you at 1% would be $1,000. Now, imagine landing just 10 small businesses and 5 medium-sized businesses. That's $5,500 a month in passive income that you can earn. Remember, this is residual income, so once you set it up once, it keeps paying you month after month. Step 4, actionable steps to get started. So, are you ready to get started making money every time that someone swipes their card? So, here's what to do next. Number 1, you gotta learn the basics. Understand that merchant services and the cash discount and how that works. Number 2, start prospecting. You have to commit to reaching out to at least 10 businesses a day. And the more businesses you approach, the faster you'll see results. Number 3, leverage a proven program. Don't do it alone. My program actually provides the training, the tools, and even guaranteed business locations to help you succeed. Join our community. One of the fastest ways to learn and grow is by joining a community of like-minded individuals, and that's why I created Credit Card Processing for Beginners in Facebook. Now, we host live webinars every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Pacific Central Time and 8 p.m. Eastern. In these sessions, you'll get actionable insights, hear success stories just like Bryce, and learn how to build a residual income right away. If this video inspired you, smash that like button, subscribe for more no BS strategies, and comment below. What would you do with an extra $5,000 a month in passive income? Remember, the key to success is taking that first step. Let's take it together and start making money every time that someone swipes their credit card. Let's level up.